This video will show you how to use the new web console to create a group. Groups allow you to give specific permissions to a defined set of users. Groups also let you control which data and resources a user can access. In this demonstration, I will create a group called Level 1 Help Desk so that my fake software company can implement a centralized support system to perform basic password and account administration on all users in the company. After logging into the web console, go to the Task panel and select Create, and then select Create Group. Fill out the identifying information for the new group on the General tab. Required fields are outlined in red. Click OK. And that is how to create a group with the new web console.